2020 Camaro SS Grabber Blue. Let's check this out. All right, let's check it out. We have DJ spraying it down. What we did was a muffler delete, Muffy D. This is all stock right here, stock X pipe. They could always change that later. And then this is where we did all the work. Cut off those mufflers and then just replace it with 2.5-inch piping. DJ checked for leaks and he's spraying it down right now. Let's check out these tips that the customer got. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think about these tips in the comments. We'll see them in a bit in the sun. Blue chrome, blue/green chrome. They change colors, pretty dope. All right, we're gonna bring it down and let you guys hear it. Yeah. That Florida drop top, it's like 200 degrees out here. We're gonna get baked, look like bacon. Make sure to like and subscribe.